late one. We'll see though. Oleg Terletsky. I don't know who this is. C5. I don't know this move. Let's go H3. Ah, that's a very interesting idea. I'm skeptical about that move. Because I thought I had like some b4 ideas positionally. Carve out some of the dark squares. And get to f5. What's going on? Oh, I got a call from my computer guy. No, it's not back online. I'm streaming from my laptop, which is connected to my monitors. I literally just took my computer to the repair guy this morning. Like at 9 a.m. I dropped it off, and he just called me. Like, I literally am seeing a call from him right now. I might have to call him after this game. Yeah, he was out of town, and all my technology has been behaving very poorly recently. Okay, let me call him right now, actually, or after this game. No, I don't think it was an easy fix. Well, maybe, but I hope it was an easy fix. The thing is, it was overheating so badly. Something tells me this too good to be true. I never get that lucky. I literally never get that lucky. Let's go H4. What does he want? Oh, that was a bad move. I should have... Man, maybe it was a good move. Yeah, somehow he, like, doesn't lose here. Which is pretty miraculous, if you ask me. Yeah, thermal paste is what I'm hoping it is. But knowing my luck with technology, it's never, like, that simple. It's always some, like, systemic problem. Yeah, literally my computer issues never seem to subside. Okay, I'm now probably worse. Okay, I might get mated there. I don't know what to do. Check. Just go back to E4 maybe. Mm-hmm. It wasn't the graphics card. It was just the temperature. It was up to 100 degrees on startup. But I had this exact thing before. And that's when I had to take it to literally five different repair places. And they all could not fix it. Because they suck. Yeah. But this guy, I think, is legit. I came in, he's like, remind me of your name, please. And I'm like, you're Patrick, right? I'm like, no, I'm Daniel. I remember you from a year ago. Oh, shit. Oh, shoot. He's got this. Okay, of course I don't mate him here. Wait, does he actually have anything? Oh my gosh, there's Queen H3. Oh my gosh. That sucks. Wait, I mean, Queen H3 is... Oh, wait, is there Queen H3? That is a sucky idea. King G1. But King E3... I don't know. I don't see anything. All right, let's call his bluff. Yes, I get it. I get it. I understand. You're so cool. Yes. But what do we have now, sire? Okay, I'm gonna call him. This guy won't fold. Where's the freaking mate? What the heck? Oh my gosh, am I not winning this? Let's go here. I mean, I can take this guy at least. Okay, I'm gonna win. Hopefully. Yeah, I flagged him. All right.